So this right here is the best selling and the award winning serum in Korea. And I've completely finished 3 bottles of this by now, and still it is a best-selling serum in a lot of different Korean websites like Sokoglam, Yes Styles and Sukoshimart. And I did have a complete detailed review video of this product in case you wanna check it out. In this video particularly, I'm gonna give answers to the commonly asked questions that people ask in the comment section of that video. And I did made a similar video like this for Anwa's 10% Niac and 4% TXA serum. In case you have questions regarding that serum, you can check that video out. But if you are someone with dull, dehydrated skin that is lifeless, or if you have no glow or shine on your face, you have dull skin, this is gonna be an amazing video for you, because let me tell you, this is the serum for you. It's gonna give you the glow that you've been looking for from so long. This is the only serum you're gonna need for that intensely glowing goddess kind of glow, and I've explained about this in depth in that video. Here are the questions that I'm gonna answer, so let's get started. So first question is that, is it suitable for Indian summers? No, it's not, because this is very rich honey-like texture. So I think it is suitable for only winter season, and especially for Indian summer, it is not made for that. But if you're someone living in a cold climate like Canada, where we don't have high temperatures in summer, you can use this product in that kind of weathers. But if you have very high temperatures, then just stay away from this product. Question number 2 is, do we need to apply moisturizer after applying this serum? Absolutely yes. Serums go deep down into your skin and work on the inner layers of the skin and help dealing with that kind of issues. Moisturizers, on the other hand, it stays on the upper layer of your skin and it helps locking in the moisture into your skin so that the serums can work perfectly. So both of these are essential. You can definitely skip serum, but you cannot skip moisturizer for sure. That should be a non-negotiable step in your skincare routine. Question number 3 is, can I use it on a damp face? Well, the only thing that you can use on a damp face is your hyaluronic acid. Other than that, any skincare you are applying, make sure your skin is clean and dry, then only you apply different skincare products. That's why whenever you have 3-step, 5-step or 7-step skincare routine, you always put 1 minute gap in between, or you dab the product into your skin, because you need to make sure that the product you have applied is absorbed nicely before going in with the another product. So you cannot apply anything except hyaluronic acid on a damp face. Question number 4 is, I have freckles and melasma, can I use it? And please tell me which serum I should use. There are 2 different type of glow serum. So the answer to the first question is that this is like a overall kind of serum that helps in taking care of the overall health of your skin. It doesn't focus on one specific skin concern. Well, the brand claims that it is specially made for acne prone and oily skin. I personally don't think that it is made for any specific skin concern. So I don't think it's suitable for hyperpigmentation or freckles, but you can use retinols in your skincare routine if you want to fade away that issues. And for the second question, there are 2 types of serum, glow serums. One is the glow deep serum and another one is the glow serum. So the product that I'm talking about is the glow serum, not the glow deep serum. This is the product. Question number 5 is that, is it okay to be used on oily acne prone skin? It is, but as long as you don't have super oily and sensitive skin. Now this work a little bit toward your acne, but it is not something that completely get rid of your acne. This is more of an overall managing your skincare health kind of serum, because it can definitely cause breakouts to your skin. So why to take a risk of using a serum for your acne prone skin when there are a lot of good serums that are specially made for acne prone skin available in the market? And one of those is this COSRX serum that is really good for acne prone skin. And I've made a complete video of the serum that are suitable for acne prone skin. You can check that video out in case you are looking for a serum that works on acne prone skin, but this one is really good. Next question is, I'm not using any serum till now. Can I use this Beauty of Joseon serum? Absolutely, you can. This is extremely beginner friendly product and you will be amazed with the result. Even after the very first usage, you will be impressed. And the last question for today is when and how to use this product in our skincare routine. Now, serums are supposed to be used after toner, so it is usually a third step in your skincare routine. So first is cleanser, then your toner, then your serum, and then last step is your moisturizer. But if you're using the same routine in the daytime, then one more step is added, that is your sunscreen. And this product is extremely safe to use day, night, or anytime. And I absolutely love products like this that you don't have to put your mind like when to use, how to use, because this kind of product you can use anytime. Same goes with this serum. You can use it daytime, nighttime, anytime your skin feels extremely dry, you can use this product. Now, quickly talking a little bit about this serum. This is a fragrance-free, cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, paraben-free, and PEG-free serum, and it's a safe formula for sensitive skin. But it is like a heaven of a product for people who have Sahara desert dry skin like myself. I absolutely love this product. It provides immense hydration to your skin. So if you are someone with just like my dry skin type, just look no further. This is the only serum you're gonna need for glow, hydration, and to deal with your dryness issues. And that's all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope this video is a little helpful, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye.